Application of for loop in Java. Here comes one of the most important program that applies for loop, and this is a multiplication table. Let us see how. Look into the program line by line. You will find there are three variables. One is R, one is P, and one is N. N has got a value of 25. Just a random value. It could be anything else also. We will see. And R is ranging from 1 to 10. That means R is starting with 1, then doing something, then coming back, then becoming 2, and then doing something. And in this way, R is traveling from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then going up to 10. It is working till 10. Outside the loop, R will become 11, which is when it will become false. Now, what is it doing? It is not just printing R. It is here multiplying R with N. Now let me see if you can follow this part. What is happening here is R is 1, N is 25, and P is 25 into 1. So what do you think the output statement will show? Can you make a guess? N will get printed, then alphabet X is getting printed, which is inside quotation mark, and then variable R is getting printed, and then equal to symbol is getting printed, and then variable P is getting printed. Okay, so let me show the output of this program to you. Then I feel you will feel a little something. Let me show the output. Check. Do you think this output is connected to the output statement, which is here, this one? What do you think this 25 is coming from? Do you think it is coming from N? Yes, I think so. Then the alphabet X, and then 1, which is coming from R, then the symbol of equality, and then value of P, which is getting calculated in the line above the print statement, which is why that is 25 into 1. Now the calculation is taking place with the help of N star R, but the printing is taking place with the help of N X R equal to. Right. Now when the loop counter is going back, that means from here, when the control is going back to increment of R, R is becoming 2. When R is becoming 2, P is becoming 25 into 2, which is getting printed in the next line. So the X is what is getting printed from here. Okay, now please wait till I make, you will just see a change coming up right now in front of you. Yes, now look into the program, look into the output window, that is the terminal window, and try to figure out, do you see any change? Do you think the output little while ago was different? What do you think has changed? Well, I have changed the value of N, which is why the entire results are changing. N has changed, but R is remaining from the same range 1 to 10. Right? Now in this way I can say, if I change N once again, suppose if I make it this time, how much do you want me to make it? If I make it 31, what do you think will happen? If I run with 31, then I can say that the value of N will affect the output. Now look into the output window this time. The output window is supposed to show you 31 into 1, 31 into 2, 31 into 3, like this. Okay, so this brings us to another upgradation in which if I can put something in N, I can also input the value of N. So coming up is that. And this brings us to the upgraded version of the same program in which I am taking input of N. That means when I will run the program, then I will ask the user to supply the value of N. So the output statement enter the value for N, asks me What do I want to enter? Let me enter 19. If I enter 19 and then if I say what is the output, then you will find 19 into 1, 19 into 2, in this way 19 into 10. Is it not? Okay, so now it's your turn to do it all by yourself and verify. Okay?